So project-wise, it's a big deal. It's a 5-year, $45 million project is certainly the most ambitious that Splash has ever undertaken. But we believe that proving out a cost-effective and scalable solution that we can show to governments and NGOs that 100% wash coverage is possible, it's achievable, and it's affordable. The project started in 2019, and as you know, is slated to serve nearly 2,000 schools and over 1 million students by 2023. We were able to secure some big investments early on, $19 million from the Children's Investment Fund, a matching $8 million from the Addis Ababa city government, and multiple commitments from some of our most trusted partners like Charity Water, All the Lead Philanthropies, the Hilton Foundation, and then we had several new partners join as well.
I was just in Ethiopia in February to see our work with board members and donors. I remember the first school so clearly. There were 500 adorable kindergartners who swarmed around us, and they were so excited to meet us. We shook hundreds of tiny little hands and tried to teach them the fist bump. It was beautiful to see these kids thrive, thanks to the Splash program and the obvious care of the school staff. Later that week, we visited a very different school. It was far from the center of Addis Ababa, the capital. It was a dusty, bumpy bus ride. And to be honest, it was a bit shocking to see the conditions. There was no running water for drinking or for hand washing. And the toilets, I can still remember the smell and the filth. And yet, the kids were just as excited to see us. We exchanged questions like, what's your favorite food? Pizza. Why are you here? To see you. And my favorite, how old are you? I may have declined to answer. Like all kids, some were brave and sassy, others were quiet and shy, but they were all delightful in their own way. It was really humbling for me to see what challenges they faced in trying to learn and get an education. Where others see insurmountable obstacles, Splash sees opportunity. Through Project Wise, the school's wash conditions will be completely transformed. Sure, the work is complex, especially given the water scarcity issues in Addis Ababa, but through hope, ingenuity, and innovation, we will find a way. Please join us tonight and help create a new future for the kids in Addis Ababa, Kolkata, and beyond. A future where every child has the water, sanitation, hygiene, and menstrual health support they need to thrive. And now, in honor of all that you've done, we'd like to share a special thank you from the Splash Global team.
ধন্যবাদ
সকলকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।
Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you.
নমস্কার, ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you.
Thank you for all that you do. From my family to yours, and from the Splash family to you, thank you so much.
Okay, for real though.